Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. On today's video I want to share with you the Japanese way of doing exercise, but I'm going to be using the sweat belt, which works well with this exercise on the tummy. Look at how it is. So let's get right in. So I'll just show you how I wear my sweat belt, sorry. You tie it to your tummy. Make sure you're comfortable, because this belt you can actually use it and do your chores. You can use it for your exercise. During the day, if you're at home and you're looking forward to trimming your tummy, you can use this belt. It's very comfortable. You won't feel any inconvenience. So you just wear this belt and be doing whatever you're doing in the house. But I usually use this belt whenever I want to do this exercise, because it helps me a lot in trimming my waist. It helps me. So you grab your towel, I'm sure most of us already know this exercise, but people still doubt it if it works. But I bet you to try this method. Use this sweat belt and then do this simple exercise and watch your tummy trim. Watch your waist get smaller. It's best for you to do it before bedtime or first thing in the morning after you have your green tea or your black tea. This exercise is mainly for the tummy and the waist. It also helps the arms. It helps the arms as well. But I do it mostly for my tummy and for my waist, because I also want to have a smaller waist. I love small waist. So you keep the towel behind your navel, and then you turn your toes inward. Look at how I kept my toes. If you do it right, you see yourself sweating and your arms will be aching, your legs will be aching. But seeing it, it looks very simple, but it's a little bit taxing. You push in your abs, and then you turn your pinkies into, see the way I'm keeping my hand. You can do this exercise for 50. You can stay for 15 minutes, you can stay for 20 minutes, depends how long you can stay. For me, 10 minutes it's enough for me. It's just my tummy and my waist I'm doing it for, so I don't necessarily need to. After 10 minutes, you can stand up gently. Gently, you have to do it gently, because during the exercise, your joints, your muscles must have moved. So you have to be careful so that you don't hurt yourself. So you can use this belt in doing other chores in the house, even if it's not necessarily exercise. You can use it to do dishes, you can use it to sweep, you can use it anything you want to do. Early morning chores, before you get to work, you lose it and go to work, come back before bedtime, you try it again. You can even use it to dance, just like me. And when you lose it, you see the way you sweat. You sweat. It's called sweat belt, so you're definitely going to sweat. Look at my just 10 minutes, see the sweat. And it's going to help correct your waist. It's best for thick girls. See you in my next video.